Hello everyone, I welcome you my lecture series of C programming. So far we have seen that what is the structure of C program and how the compilation and linking process is done, and tokens and variables and data types used in the C program. In today's class we are going to see about what are all the operators we can use in the C language, and what are all the operations can be performed by the C compiler. So first of all we will see what is an operator. So the operator is used to perform a certain mathematical or logical manipulation about that given variable in the program. So the types of operators in C are arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, then assignment operators, increment and decrement operators, conditional operator, bitwise operator and special operators. These are all the types of the operators in C. In today's class we will see what are all the arithmetic operation with an example, and what is the relational operators and what is the logical operator. So this slide shows the classification of operators, whatever I told in the last slide. So that is again we are termed as unary, binary and ternary operators. So in the 7 category again we are classifying unary operators. Means the unary operators are only plus, and there is an increment, or for example there is a plus where only a single operator is used, means it is a unary. So the binary means the arithmetic operator, relational, logical and bitwise and assignment are the binary operator. The ternary operator is a conditional operators. So this is an operator classification based on the unary, binary and ternary. எவ்வளோ operators யூஸ் பண்ணுறோமோ அதை பேஸ் பண்ணி again we are classified. So this is the simple description about all the operators. First one is an arithmetic operators. They are used to perform a mathematical calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modulo operator in the given variables. So next is an assignment operator. Means they are used to assign the value to the given variable, and relational means these operators are used to compare the value of two variables. We are using that relational operator. So the logical operator means these operators are used to perform the logical operation in the given two variables. And next is a bitwise operator. These operators are used to perform all the bit operations in the given variable. And next is a conditional operator. Means that is used to return one value if the condition is true, otherwise false. Next is an increment and decrement. In the increment and decrement, the value of the given variable is increment by 1 or decrement by 1. So the increment and decrement is again classified as a pre and post increment, and or pre and or post decrement. Next again so இது இல்லாமல் we are having the special operators like that ampersand, then star, size of and ternary operators are the personal special operators. So these are all the operators in the C program: arithmetic, logical, relational, bitwise and assignment, increment and decrement, and then conditional and special operators. First we will see what are all the arithmetic operation. The arithmetic operators perform the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modulo operation between the two variable. So these operators are used to perform the basic mathematical operations. So the symbols are used here is for addition we are using the plus, and then subtraction minus, multiplication is star, and then for division we are using the division operator, and modulo operator means for the division operator it returns the coefficient of between the two variable. After division it returns the coefficient, but in the modulo operator return the remainder value of 2 after the division. This is the difference between the division and modulo. So the division returns the coefficient and modulo returns the remainder. So these are all the arithmetic operation we can use in our program. So this example specifies it is an example for this program is example for the basic arithmetic operators is multiplication, addition, subtraction, modulo and division. In that என்ன பண்றோம் அப்படின்னா in the main program we are declaring the three variables. One is a and b. It is a two variables used to manipulate, and next the result will be sold in the store in the variable c. First we are assigning the value to the two variable. After that using operators we can perform the operator. That value is returned using the printf statement. So this is an example of arithmetic operators. Next is an relational operators. So what are all the relational operators are? Less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, and not equal to. So equal to and not equal to. So the less than means return true if the first value is small compared with the second value. So greater than operator la வந்து என்ன பண்ணும் அப்படின்னா it returns true if the first value is larger than the second value. So less than or equal to returns true if the first value is small and also equal to the second value. The greater than or equal to is returns true the first value is larger and equal to the second value. And the next fifth one is the equal to. It returns true if the two values are equal. Not equal to returns true the two values are not equal. So in the side we have the example for these operators. So for example you have consider 10 is less than 5, so it returns false because the operator less than means it only true when the first value is small. 10 is greater than 5, that is a true. 10 is less than or equal to 5, it is false. 10 is greater than or equal to 5, it is true. 10 is equal to 5, it is also false. 10 is not equal to 5 is true. So this is the true or false is written based upon the values of two variables or an identifiers. So this is an example program for the relational operator. So same we are specifying the three variables. So the value of three variables is assigned. So using that operator it returns true or false. So this is an output of the program. For example a and b oda value is equal to 5. So a is equal to b means returns true. So the a is not equal to b means it returns false. So like that output of the above program is displayed. Next is the logical operator. The logical operators are the symbol that are used to combine multiple conditions in one condition. Okay, it combine the multiple conditions in the one condition. The following is the operators are used in the logical operations. One is the and, that is the two ampersand symbols are used. That is a logical and. The logical and returns true only the both the values are true. The logical or it is represented as a pipe symbol, two pipe symbols. Return true only. It return false only both the values are false. Either one is true means it returns true. Next is a not equal to. The logical not returns true if the condition is returns true if the condition is false, and returns false if the condition is true. For example the logical and 10 is less than 5 and 12 is greater than 10. So 10 is less than 5 is true or false? It is false. And 12 is greater than 10 is true. So true and false returns false. Next third logical or வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 10 is less than 5 it is false, or 12 is greater than 10 it is true. So false or true it returns true. So either one true இருந்துச்சுனாலே it returns true. Otherwise both the values is false, it returns false. So the logical and 10 is less than 5 it is a false, and 12 is greater than 10 it is at true. So it returns the true. So this is an example for the logical operations. So this is a example program for that logical operators. So mainly the logical operators are used if the multiple conditions are used, means we can use that logical and, or, and not. So I hope you will understand what is the list of operators in C program. The list of operators are arithmetic, relational, logical, and assignment, and the increment and decrement operators, conditional operators, and bitwise operators, and special operators. So in this video we என்ன பார்த்துருக்கோம் அப்படின்னா arithmetic and relational and logical operators. In the next video we will see that what are all the increment and decrement, how the increment and decrement is performed. We will see in the next video. Thank you.